Good day, everyone. In this video, I will do a quick demonstration about the program execution for the income tax calculation programming problem. On the right-hand side, this will be the table for someone who is single. And then based on the outcome, the income tax is calculated differently. And here will be the example that if the person's income is $10,000, then here will be the value. So let me again clear the output and then run the program again. So let me clear the output, run the program, and then again prompt the user with some examples. So let me try, let's say $10,000. And then press the enter key. There we go. So here will be the marginal tax rate, and then also the effective tax rate, and also the income tax should pay with this amount. So then let me run it again one more time. Let's say this time if the person's income is 550, 1, 2, 3, and then 0.95. Then here will be the final result. So again, there are many different type of ranges you can try. I'm not going to try all of them, but I encourage you to verify the correctness of your program. All right, I think that that will be all. For this video.